Some fruits are giants of the tropics, carrying sweetness, nutrition, and a story in every bite. The Keitt mango is one such marvel, an elegant late-season mango variety, celebrated for its vibrant green skin, juicy flesh, and subtle sweetness. Let's dive into the world of this tropical favorite and uncover its secrets. The Keitt mango, a cultivar of Mangifera indica, is a late-harvesting mango variety prized for its large size, firm texture, and sweet, slightly tangy flavor. Originating in Florida in the 1940s, the Keitt mango quickly became popular for its exceptional storage qualities, extended harvest season, and versatility in culinary applications. Today, it is grown in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, from Florida to Mexico, India, and Southeast Asia. The tree itself is vigorous, reaching heights of 10 to 15 meters with a broad, dense canopy of glossy, dark green leaves. Unlike some mango cultivars, Keitt trees are moderately compact and can thrive in home orchards, commercial plantations, and even container gardening with proper care. During spring, the trees produce fragrant yellowish-white flowers in panicles, which attract pollinators such as bees, wasps, and butterflies, essential for fruit set. Keitt mango fruits are large and ovate, often weighing between 1 and 2 kilograms. The skin remains green even when fully ripe, sometimes developing a subtle yellow blush but rarely turning red like other cultivars. Inside, the flesh is golden yellow, juicy, smooth, and fiber-free, making it ideal for eating fresh, blending into smoothies, or using in desserts. Its flavor is delicately sweet with a hint of citrus, balancing richness and freshness in a way that appeals to both casual eaters and gourmet chefs. Nutritionally, Keitt mangoes are packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, supporting immunity, digestion, eye health, and overall wellness. The high water content helps in hydration, while natural sugars provide quick energy, making the fruit both delicious and functional for health-conscious consumers. Mangoes, including Keitt, also contain polyphenols and carotenoids, compounds linked to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Culturally, Keitt mangoes are enjoyed worldwide, particularly in regions where mangoes are staples of diet and tradition. They are used in salads, salsas, chutneys, smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. In tropical countries, mangoes symbolize abundance, hospitality, and summer indulgence. Keitt, as a late-season variety, extends the mango season, allowing communities to enjoy fresh mangoes long after earlier cultivars have finished fruiting. Botanically, Keitt mangoes demonstrate adaptability and resilience. Their firm, fiberless flesh reduces post-harvest damage, and the large fruit size makes them ideal for commercial export. They require well-drained soil, full sun exposure, and careful irrigation to maximize fruit quality. Trees are often pruned to maintain canopy structure, improve air circulation, and enhance light penetration, optimizing flowering and fruiting cycles. Ecologically, mango trees, including Keitt, support biodiversity. Flowers attract pollinators, while fruits feed birds, bats, and small mammals. The tree's shade nurtures understory plants and helps prevent soil erosion in orchards and tropical landscapes. Their widespread cultivation contributes to food security in local economies while also providing aesthetic and environmental benefits. The Keitt mango is also celebrated for its longevity. When properly harvested and stored, it can remain fresh for several weeks, allowing for transportation over long distances without compromising flavor or texture. This trait has made it a favored cultivar for international markets and a reliable choice for home growers and farmers alike. In summary, the Keitt mango is more than a late-season tropical fruit. It is a symbol of resilience, sweetness, and versatility. Its vibrant green skin, fiberless golden flesh, and delicate balance of flavors make it a favorite among mango lovers worldwide. Eating a Keitt mango is a sensory experience that connects one to tropical orchards, ancient cultivation practices, and the enduring allure of this iconic fruit.